Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a manual order in Shopify, which is useful for custom orders or phone orders. So let's get started. Now for the first step is to log into your Shopify admin. And to do so, just go to your web browser and open a new tab and type in the search bar shopify.com. After the website appears, click on login. Now, if you have already logged in, you will be automatically directed to your account. If you're not, you'll be asked to enter your account credentials, or in case you haven't created an account, you'll be asked to create it. And you can do that. It's very simple and very easy, and you can even link it to your Google account to make the task easier. Now, after you finish logging in, once in the dashboard, at the top right here, click on orders in the left sidebar here. Click on orders. No, no, uh, no. For these next steps, you have to select a plan. That means you have to pay for Shopify Premium. As you can see, I haven't paid in this account yet, but you can do so. You could just go here and select the plan that is most convenient for you and proceed to payments, etc. Now for the next few steps, I'm gonna say the instructions verbally, so listen carefully and follow these steps with me. Now at the top right, click on create order, and this will take you to the new page where you can add products to order. Now for the fourth step is to add products to order. Search for the products you want to include in the order and add them. You can adjust quantities and prices as needed. When you do that, you've come to the fifth step, and it's to enter customer details. Now, after adding products, scroll down to enter the customer's information. You can create a new customer profile or select an existing one. As for the sixth step is to review and process payments. Now once everything is set, review the order details and click on save to finalize the order and process payment using your preferred method. And that's it. You successfully created a manual order in Shopify. This is a great feature for handling special requests from customers. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.